Welcome to Understanding Novels, Elements and How to Write One, a comprehensive guide to crafting your own novel. Before we begin, please subscribe if you're new to this channel. This video was requested by @ClayClass. A novel is a long fictional narrative that delves deep into characters, events, and themes. It is typically over 40,000 words, focused on storytelling, and written in prose. Novels have been a cornerstone of literature for centuries, offering readers a chance to explore imaginary worlds and relatable experiences. Every novel has 6 essential elements. First, the plot, which is the sequence of events that make up the story. Second, the characters, who drive the story forward. Third, the setting or the time and place where the story takes place. Fourth, the theme, which conveys the central idea or message. Fifth, the conflict, representing the challenges faced by the characters. And finally, the style, which reflects the author's unique way of writing. Different authors have unique writing styles that set them apart. For instance, J.K. Rowling uses detailed world building and engaging characters in the Harry Potter series. Jane Austen employs sharp wit and social commentary in her works like Pride and Prejudice. Ernest Hemingway is known for his minimalist style, focusing on simple language and short sentences. George R.R. Martin combines intricate plots and morally complex characters in A Song of Ice and Fire. Virginia Woolf uses a stream of consciousness technique to explore inner thoughts, as seen in Mrs. Dalloway. By understanding these styles, you can find inspiration for your own writing approach. To which author is your writing style similar? Comment and let me know. Novels can be categorized into various genres. Which genre do you like? Some popular ones include mystery, where secrets and puzzles are unraveled; romance, focusing on love stories; fantasy, filled with magical worlds; science fiction, exploring futuristic concepts; historical, set in specific time periods; and thriller, packed with suspense and action. Each genre offers unique storytelling possibilities. Writing a novel involves a structured approach. Start by brainstorming ideas and selecting a genre. Then, develop your characters and outline the plot. Set a daily writing goal to maintain consistency. Your goal could be either writing for an hour daily or writing 700 to 1,000 words per day. Begin with your first draft without overthinking, and later, focus on revising and polishing your manuscript until it shines. To write a captivating novel, begin with a compelling hook that grabs the reader's attention. Create relatable, multi-dimensional characters. Show, don't tell. Use vivid descriptions to immerse readers in the story. Maintain an engaging pace, and ensure the ending provides a satisfying resolution to the narrative. Writing a novel can come with challenges. Writer's block is common, but can be overcome by taking breaks or trying free writing. Consistency is crucial. Set a routine and stick to it. Finally, seek feedback by joining writing groups or working with beta readers to refine your work. And if you don't have those resources yet, go ahead and ask your friends and family to check your work, or a teacher. A novel is a work of art, crafted word by word. As you embark on your journey to write one, remember that every great story begins with a single idea. Start today and bring your imagination to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who may be interested in writing. Thanks for watching.